So the last part we'll need to make, other than the handle or the shifter knob itself, is the pin, which goes between here, holds the bearing, and the rubber band also pulls down on it. So we're going to sketch that in. So sketch on this side face. Just going to use this as my reference. It's going to be a 3mm diameter. Finish sketch. And we're going to extrude this straight across the other side, so the other plate. We don't want it to be a join. Again, new body, and okay. So this last body will be called pin. And the only change we're going to make to it, if I right click and go isolate, it hides out everything else, is we're going to add a fillet to this of 1.5, just to round it off. It will be made out of probably some welding rod of some sort. I might just give it a brass plated sort of finish. Okay. Right click on where it says pin and unisolate again. So it's in there now. Now, the last thing we'll do is sort of convert some of these parts, these bodies, into components. What I'm not going to convert into components are the plates. So the front plate, left plate, the right plate, top plate. I'm going to hide those out just temporarily. And I'm going to hide out the mount switch and the base. So these are all sort of static components. So the ones I've just hidden out. All these other ones that are still visible, they all move in the design. So I need them to all be sort of components. So just going to control click on all of them. I'm going to hit new component. Make sure you've got from body selected and hit OK. And then we'll have all these elements here as components now. The first one, which would have been the top of the list, just comes through as grounded. So we're just going to unground from parent. That sort of stops it from moving. If anything's pinned or grounded, it just sort of restricts its movement. So deselect that if you've got any grounded or pinned parts. All these ones, I mean, we could turn these into components, but for this exercise, I don't think that's sort of a necessary operation, and they're not going to be moving around. They're sort of fixed as it is. So we'll leave them as bodies. So next video, I'm going to go through assembling and start adding all the nuts and bolts and buttons and switches and that sort of stuff into the design.